district, I believe.
Yeah. Well, just like if you want an everything today.
And you're uncomfortable because of the way the seats are.
What in the world is that? Potato salad?
Yeah, kind of. It's really bland, but I'm trying to make it better.
Wow. You know they have chopped onions down there.
Huh?
They have chopped onions
Where?
downstairs.
Where's the hot sauce at?
There was some in the dining car. I don't know if you can steal some.
I was looking.
We might be on a mission. I'm going on a mission to see what I can get downstairs. And my mission ends there. I was on a mission to go downstairs and see if I could find any kind of condiments, but there's a blockade. Yeah, I guess she stopped selling around 11-ish. Sucks.
Yeah.
Right? Sometimes you can kind of go in the dining car and get stuff, but I don't know how reliable that will be. Got Lunchables if you want Lunchable. You hungry?
No, but thank you.
All right, no problem. All right, what's going on over here? All right, let's see if he was successful in his mission. Did you get it? Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, here we are, looking at scenic nothing.
I know that you be keeping that with you.
Yeah, I got my flip cam, dude. What?
My name is.
You know you're on it.
I'm trying to hide.
Too late.
Right now.
Too late.
I don't want to be on it.
Oh, it's all good.
I look miserable.
Nah, it's all good. Anybody that's in this car at this hour is just asking for it.
Yeah. But you good people, though. I know you good people.
We're trying to be. There really is like literally nothing to record in here right now. There's nobody here. It's like, what time is it?
1 a.m.
1 a.m. We just got out of San Antonio. How long ago was that? 2
We
hours?
sat for no reason forever, so we're kind of still in San Antonio.
So it's like been 2 hours since we left the train stop-ish place.
An hour.
Yeah. So, yep. 1 in the morning.
Yes.
Pretty soon I think we'll be out of Texas soon.
No.
That's kind of exciting.
Not even close.
I think in the morning we're out. Like by
Morning.
7-ish.
Like 8
Maybe
o'clock.
it's like
Yeah.
8 more
Yeah, we're
hours.
almost out of
We
Texas, right?
Houston at like 4
We're
a.m.
almost out of Texas? Yeah.
Well, not exactly. You got to get to Louisiana next.
Or they
Asher,
they knew they were
eating his potato salad
Yeah, kill everyone.
with the hot sauce.
I hope you don't have me getting up like an old man.
I'm waking you up, my friend.
No,
We're getting you up early in the morning.
I hope you don't have me getting up like old.
No, we're watching you. I'm just kidding. I'll point it this way.
You're gonna be an internet sensation. You're gonna be
You are going to be the next YouTube sensation. Okay, we kind of got to get this.
You know, every day my legs get worse and worse.
That's how it is.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Huh?
You gotta stop leaving your cane everywhere.
Oh, you know about that? I do.
That's how you mark your territory. You're like a cat.
But my legs, the back of my calf, they hurt bad. The back of my legs. Now that's a French Quarter cuisine right there.
That's right. That's some
Homeboy know how to hook them up. No, homie, I
potato
hate all
salad with hot sauce and
Ooh.
a little bit of mustard and.
Believe it or not, it don't look too luscious, but it can be good.
Oh my gosh, my